Hello, my people. I greet the full house. How na dey? Also, na dey fine. I know so na dey fine. On a happy weekend. My people, you get one video where the thing they make me they laugh. And I know say some commenters. Oh, then they too they provoke people. Commenters with their writing. They don't provoke Papa Kevin. They provoke the man charge. He just because they tell us say may go meet him on the Inlaw. And I know say then get one video where they do this video one and go watch now. Now they do one. So as they come tell people say they want to do their 10 years anniversary, which is not that easy to be 10 years, even to stay for 5 years. Safe. And I know say when they talking for Italy, say when you pass 8 years, that be say you don't pass because you get that kind when they say crease, what they call crease, that is that's how they talk more than novice Italian language. Don't it's down for inside my brain, not will come out. That is if you don't pass if you pass 8 years, say you with your wife now not leave each other, meaning something there, something is good. If maybe 8 years something don't they get as it be, that means it go get as it be also. That means that marriage don't go, it not go anywhere. So that's so that they use until they make parable for Italian language. So this video, when they just come out, they tell people say they want to do their 10 years anniversary. Now one kind commenter go right for that say go meet your mother-in-law. Now no say Papa Kevin with his mama misunderstand the day. So the wife also with a mother-in-law get crash, which everybody know for social media. So that makes it go find trouble for there. Then Papa Kevin charge my people not be smarting. He charge not be smarting. He fanunu because it be like say now no say commenters when they watch all the time they throw words, go meet your mother, go do this one, go do the other one. May they leave all these people in peace. May they live their life. Because when you born children, they get their life to live. Your mother still get you to live. I pray make them get peace. So and I know say make children, then they almost they do like that when they marry and their family with their wife now it can be their everything. Especially if you be say you not just trade them, just forget about them. If you still trade them, still they hard talk like or say maybe you not there for them. They no one understand. Make children they not they understand and they talk all the time say if you get male children they not they understand at all why you not there for them. Anyhow when you go take Ben and they no one hear. So Papa Kevin charge say he tell that commenter because I know say sometimes you need to talk because some commenter they do something they do pass their self. Now the truth of the matter. Waiting not concern them, then go they chook hand put for them. Because before you come talk to them, you know. So in your child this evening, talk with you not supposed to talk. Anyway, it's still good as the evil talk and come on because may the commenter know, may mind the business, may mind your wahala, may carry a busybody go one corner. Wanna watch the video, my people. Wanna watch them. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Go and meet your mother, fuck your mother, fuck the person you call mother-in-law. Fuck all of you. I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about her. And fuck your mother too. Are you mad? What time? Don't let me come bust here. No, not make us vessel. May not going to talk with you. They don't pass here. Okay. Mother-in-law they kill you, they craze. Oh, one day. Oh, be mother-in-law. Oh, mother-in-law. Are you mad?
Let me call this.
Don't be stupid.
Stay, guys. Stay.
You the craze. Come. I don't talk. Mother, not let me vex. Come talk to you. Are you mad?
Okay. Wait. Let me.
Mother-in-law. Oh, mother-in-law. You the craze.
I'm not seeing now.
Don't be stupid. Fuck you.
I'm gonna look for the person now.
If you go to meet mother-in-law for that side, go and meet them for that side.
See the person, right?
Can you kill yourself? Don't be stupid.
I'm gonna look for
the man. It's be like when I wait busy here, they'll tell me something now. When I carry my wife, now use my wife turn around. You the craze? Bro, don't try that nonsense here. Not try. And then they use my wife play. Not be for my family or for my other stuff, my anybody will call yourself my mama. I don't try it. Don't try it. Nah, don't try it. Don't
let me go. If
the person will be say yes, your family go do something finish, you can't see your wife anyhow. Because you are a fool. If you get a man with that category, be fool. You the craze.
Okay,
I don't look here. Don't be fool. You're a dead man. Somebody won't bring my wife down. Then you tell me, meet who? You the crazy. If it's not small people, they talk to you. Because they just tell and say I be 26 years, 28 years, 30 years.
Next year they complete 40 years.
Next year they complete 40 years. May I tell you? The crazy will be your mates here. Because they put words for on our mouth. Are you mad?
I hate people that want to bring their age down. How do I get age more hot up?
Next year, yeah, it'll be 40 years. If you don't know when you know.
Celebrate this thing this year. But don't be angry. Don't talk to these people now. I beg now anniversary will come announce, yeah.
You see, that's why I don't want to talk. When my wife they talk us like they try one pin and that you don't do. Anybody who want verse and I need to verse, not be shit. Because what they do, they borrow me. Okay? Nobody go there this life, go see your family, they ridicule your own wife. They pull life for a body, then you be mad, you go see that you did this life. So your whole family they spoil your wife, you go join your family, they beat your wife. Anyway, are you a man?
I don't see that.
You be man?
It's okay, Amo.
Don't try that. If you be mad, you see your family, they beat your wife. Stand for your wife.
If your wife wrong, it's okay. You need
stand for your wife.
If your wife wrong, you need to tell her say she wrong. But
when they see wife they wrong for when mother-in-law these days. Now they try to form one or two things come out. Guy, when another person come, they bring out and come out, we don't pass. I bet when I behave.
He paid them now 10 years anniversary. She say easy.
No sense with that.
Yeah, even me, I make the. Hey, no matter what be show no. 10 years anniversary this year. Children are growing.
I don't get mama. I don't get papa. I don't get anybody. See my mama here. See my papa here. Everything there here. Everything there. As I create my family so, I'm okay with it. I don't have any family anymore. I don't have any family anymore. So that's what you need to know now. Please, don't come here to push shit. If you don't know what's going on here, just watch and go. This family, I take my time to create this family. So you don't come here. You see family where they say you won't bring her down. Not if you even bring her down, say now we try because you stand her up again. You are coming here to ride mother-in-law. Mother-in-law they kill you, they crazy. It's stupid. Do mother-in-law help. Mother-in-law will scatter my house. Will do nonsense for my house. I bet behavior. I'm not behavior. One of not behavior.
A positive comment. You are a good man. Okay.
Thank you, Joyce. Thank you so much.
So now you see now, I beg. No good. We just come here now to announce our cook stew, but we to announce our anniversary, 10 years anniversary.
Somebody first come here and put something. I try to calm my wife down, but you come here and correct on that thing. Like you see the reason why my husband they fight. You see, small people they talk to.
When my husband find out the
okay now, let me say something. Go and meet mother-in-law for Italy. Go do it. Now go sit down, fall down. When I get my own children, I don't create my own family. You know, even they think self. Nigerian people, when they think, when I get it, when they crazy. Some of them, when they crazy, when they talk, go and meet mother-in-law. When they crazy, may I leave my family, go meet who? Go do waiting. May I just leave my family? May I go start? No, start from where? Go do waiting to start with. Like saying a boy or small picking. Go do waiting now. Can you answer that? Go do what?
Thank you, guys.
Go and do what now? No, I hate that comment. Go and meet your who? Meet who?
Boy, it's a comment.
Meet who?
On social media. You know, anything can.
There's something wrong with you. If you don't know what to comment, please just pass by. Don't say shit.
See my fine makeup now.
You don't say shit.
See my asshole husband. We thought we can't play love for you.
What's the problem?
Or red banner. One person don't fair right hand. Second one get right hand. You know, sometimes we they ignore now. But sometimes I know we need to give it hard like this. But I just tell now.
Let's be the first and last. We have good people here. So we know the many for this platform. Now, how many we always be? If we too many for here, 57 I the watchers. I know why we're not here. We are not doing saga, but we try to clarify some certain things here. Okay? We try to clarify some certain things. Please, let today be the first and last. Don't write anything. Go and meet your mother-in-law. Leave and make go meet mother-in-law. Don't be small picky there. Next year now will be 40 years. Man, knock off 1 year now. Next year will be 40 years. My wife when they call and say that 60 years. She's not 60 years. Okay? Please.
No matter you.
Please. Please.
Say I video 50 day okay. Or 60 anyhow. It's okay. Take out. Oh, I can't even see comment now. But then anyway. So guys, wait, okay, may look comment here because that place can't, you know, the show where. I just tell when I say this year, you see how beautiful our family, you see how we did. The kids are growing very fast. So when we do our marriage, I can still remember only Kevin. And then I was pregnant, yeah. Then, yeah, I was pregnant. So
I don't want caution.
So
I don't want caution. I don't want say if I caution, I go caution go reach all of their house. From Italy go reach Nigeria, I go cut go reach UK, I go cut all of the share. Someone alone let me enter inside the matter. More no go be pastors come, eh? As a matter, just calm down. To me, calm down like that. I don't want to go into details.
Okay, see,
I don't want to go into details.
It's okay, it's okay.
Come make people be say yes, he loved me before. Come they hate on me for no reason.
Oh my God.
Create hatred on people. Then you expect me to be happy. You expect me to be happy. Then you come and tell me say I get mother. Which mother? Mother, they want to see sons go down. They want to see my downfall. Any mother that want to see your downfall, when they say you progress and they want to see your downfall, run from those people. Run from them far. They don't want your progress. They don't want your progress. Please. I don't want to talk here. I beg. I beg. More no put Genesis again. For Congo see end up for the revelation again. Now anniversary they come. So more just settle down yours our anniversary. Cool and pop. I beg. When I wait no say yes. When I wait no say yes. When I love mother-in-law. When I go stay with mother-in-law. I beg. I beg. When I not carry that matter, come they give me for my own territory here. For my own territory, I don't need it. I'm cool and I'm fine. I don't want to see such comment on my platform. Please. I beg you guys, with the name of God. When I start to go so soft and soft. We don't need such write up. Go and meet mother-in-law. I don't want to meet mother-in-law again. I'm not getting mother-in-law, please.
You said don't.
Please.
So you get what?
Please, I don't want it.
Oh,
please.
Wait,
I just got begging. When I don't go the right time here again. I don't want to verse on. I don't want verse for anybody. But as yes of they came my lane, they go shaking her.
Thank you, Solomon. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You know, say this life, people know. I don't feel tell now. Marriage is something. Some people know they like marriage. Like devil know they like marriage. Okay, devil they always want to see marriage destroy, marriage break into two. So now one thing when devil always want to see. So that's why I would come here now to send it to talk. Say our anniversary day for corner they come oh. Yeah, we saw they ready. Mona ready to dance with us that day. Oh, anniversary is coming. Oh, husband sis go day. Oh, like go day. Oh, food go day, drink go day. You know, one thank God for everything. Now 10 years don't reach. We don't even know how
we try our possible best to make sure see yes.
We build our
create people will be see yes. It's still they follow us now.
Yeah.
Because when they put life for your body, this means that now no see yes. People when they love you, particular person can't come up from inside your house, can't talk with you all day there. You see people when they love you, they will come use that act, they look you. They will try to let them know say this thing not be like that. Then we can't get lovers, we don't see they say okay yes. They don't understand where the matter they go now. Then you can't see one come bring another issue come again. But we can't start for square one. Please now, I'm gonna try to forget the past now. I'm gonna let the past lie low. Let's move forward with the new things.
Anniversary.
Please.
Let's move forward with 10 years anniversary. 10 years, like it's not easy, not be easy thing. So it's gonna be bomb, and we are so happy for the kind of family where we build today. Young couple like us be able to keep family like this together, make the kids happy. So now they hear their voice right now. They go guide it, they go play, they don't play, they don't tire. They enter house, they ride their car when their papa buy gift we buy for them for Christmas. I think we never even post the gift for media, but then we record and keep. So now that they all of them now they use our you know, so that's our life. We plan our life in a way we would be comfortable for us. We'll not be the most best, like you know, but then we are trying our best in our own way. We are the best. Do you understand? So I don't need anything wahala. Is there we? Me wahala gbene, me wahala gbene.
She don't too
thank God for my elder brother who is alive. That one very.
Please, I go beg on a men. I know say yes, so women still day. We be say yes, so women just still day. We be say yes, and they not see get that character, and they see so we get some lovely mother-in-law out there. I will use for social media. I will use one to give example.
No mention, no, don't do that.
I feel like mention one, but my also. So more people did this social media will be say yes, I did look them. I did look them. Just man, this now mother. They do like mothers, you know. But you know, we expect me because they see things they go wrong. Somebody like won't bring my own wife down. They will expect me to come and dance to those tunes. It's not possible now. I will tell you men out there. I see the talk I just now. Some women they will be say yes, they are not see good. But you'll see some women will be say yes, they try to do everything to make sure say yes, they please some set of people. But those people not go on like her. They won't try to bring that person down. If you be man and you see your family bring your woman down, please. Not be the same person will be see yes, you will see your family, see they suffocate your woman. It's not nice. It's not nice. No, okay. It's not nice. Okay? Try.
Congratulations.
Try be the person will be say yes. You don't know where the real thing they where it happen.
You know one thing
it will support your woman.
No lie for person head.
Okay?
Just the way we
why is our marriage they work out to go today so?
The lie.
A lot of lies on her.
Me. For my husband that time, my
a lot of lies on her.
Me. But he found out the truth and he was mad.
If you want fight person with the truth.
He was mad.
It's not true. I think
so
fight and
even my husband and that sister
but
find out the
everything
truth. She was also mad. Like
lie
now. Hatred to this extent. No good. You can't give someone age that is not her own because of you don't like this person. It's not good. I tried. People to the extent of tribe, they give me to Esa. Me, my partner, he died that day. Over don't know. Yeah? My Benin man, he died the other day. Yeah? Okay, see how I tell relate to Esa when they call me today. But which I also love it. Esa is good. I love my grandmother, so I will forever love Esa. Yes, so 100%. How it happen? I come here to explain her that day when that dark, dirty, and depressed old cargo they call. You know how it happen. My grandmother partly Esa, she come partly Yoruba. She come marry for Oviaho family, which is my grandfather. Oviaho family, they bought children. Inside those children, my mother they inside. My mother grow up. My mother married my own father, who is a doe. I don't want to mention the full name of my father. Finish. Now he come marry that one. Please tell me how man is some person. That's the hatred people can have for you. How am I this person?
Even though she be Esa,
how? But I was born. My grandmother I trained me. She speak Isha very well. There's where I learn. I grow with my grandmama. I did 2 months or 3 months when they trained me. When I do with my grandmother, I grow with her. So she's an Isha woman, and she love her tribe so much. That's why they speak Esa. When some people come tell and say I be Esa. You see how clear it is? My grandmother, she's partly Esa, partly Yoruba. And she get married to Oviaho. Oviaho is a donor, Benin man.
Gloria, you can come.
Oviaho now bought children. Those children, my mother was inside. And my mother grew up to marry a doe. Yeah? So that's the start of my father's name. He married a doe, yeah? He bought me. So how am I, Nisa? That's to tell you how people can hate you. That's why when my husband, elder sister came to abroad, and when she go to Nigeria, she go my house. She find out the truth and she come back. She come to me and say, "Hey Kevin, forgive me, no verse. I was ignorant of everything." That's the same many of you today in this social media. You are ignorant of what you are saying about me. But when someone hates you, they can put anything on you to make sure they damage you. That's what happened to me. I don't like to try to form a victim. Me man like I don't claim a victim. He like I don't want to be a victim. God forbid. He man like I don't sorry. Man like That's why I stay strong on my own. I don't care. But people that know, they reverse. My elder sister will go to Nigeria at that time. They told me, I go do this case. And they go leave my brother. When she come, she was like, what? When she now see my own elder brother, she was shocked and she said, "Yeah, Kevin, I beg forgive me." That's how we become friends, because she was so sincere. She was so sincere, and she know she did me wrong. For as they insult me, I never wanted you to craze, madam. I never say her for regret, but I never I never say you the craze. The younger one, the same thing, that one go but they be able to convince who they want to convince. But who know the truth, who really went to the family and see the truth, came out and said, "Sorry, my sister." We become friends. Since that time till now, we are now best. We are now best of friends. Because she later found out the truth. And she was mad. The same thing, my husband found out the truth. My husband was mad. Like, you really want me to leave this girl, and you say all sorts of things. And I believe, I was about to believe you. But me finding out the truth, I will not. That's why my husband stood by me till tomorrow, continue to stand by me. So don't say what you don't know. Although it got nothing to do with me. As you can see, we are very much fine. You first come here. When I say I buy motor, they're not the same. I bet check this platform. Wait, why you motor work? If you join ETA, I will DQ7. I will fear camera street. Hey, Facebook. Is that how you live your life? Do you live to intimidate people, or you live in a way that you are comfortable? My husband, they go drop pikin for school. Una they see the video there.
If they go pick pikin for school, the video they here, if they this page when they talk, just look on Friday or Monday, just check, you will see videos. So my husband cannot be doing video every day. This morning I to say no, so go just somebody like you now. As he go 1 hour drive today, go buy these things. He go still go live. But this are intimidation, and many of you will not come and say you are intimidating people. You show too much. But I'm not a show. Wama show. Okay, now I don't even know that mujuwara mukia. Man, I don't have time to explain to fools. I don't have time. Make that video long time. It's on my TikTok. Oh, the family on dreads. Even again. I'm taking it easy, my love, but it's so annoying. We are just celebrating something. My anniversary is coming. Oh, wait, they say this thing. You see, Kevin complete 10 years last year. Because Kevin day inside the marriage, it was just a little baby. He was there in the marriage picture. And I go see when the anniversary reach. He wear white just the same way like us. You guys were told that we were not married in Africa. We were married both home and abroad. I barely want to married. Ni boma married legally safe. They only send money make they go put another person for another person leg, and they are done. They go tell you say they are married. No ring to show, no name. You see my husband's name is here. Date of marriage is here. No need to show nothing. We did it at home and we did it here. We are legalized married all over. So you go come see us, they happy today. People they emulate, people like to behave like us, do like us, and you want come they try to bring us down. Anybody that try to bring you down, me, yeah, I'm fine. Hello.
Oh, hello dear. How are you?
I'm fine, but
You just now on my phone.
I did live video.
Oh, okay then. Okay.
Okay. So you know. My number, who's person over there? So guys, I go want to leave this video here, but it's not good. Now we be the couple for this social media. They don't do kurukuruku, they don't give information, fake information to people. They still say those who are power not reach, they by themselves come. The power not still reach. Me, if your money message no matter who. Now only one thing when I believe for this life. You got who come and no they take again. Now see how it be now. You know they take. You go just come back, boy. You understand? I cannot bring you to say, okay, this is what I do, and this thing is good for me. Don't they, babe? You not come me try to rubbish me, like drag me down. Thinking you want to know. It don't work like that. It's not about bringing people down. That's why you see me, I don't involve in saga. I don't involve. But I will tell you, I know if I want to draw my attention, I know how to do it. Twerking video when I do on my husband, more than 500,000 views. Did you see how? I beat anybody, I fight anybody who don't make saga get 500,000 on one video. You know they. So I use my sense. I'm smart. I don't need to be a graduate to get sense. This is social media. You can create anything, which I'm doing, and I'm happy doing it. I must not come and rubbish your family, rubbish you, rubbish anybody. Or run after who is running after me before I go come get what I want get. Yeah? So please, I beg you, not come they use that thing they right here. If you want right and go somewhere else. She's older than your husband. My worry. When go down, me money the messy anywhere. So I don't want to vindicate men of me, my BSF before my husband. Since that day, I vow to say anything you said, this woman will never believe you. This that you did is bad because of hatred. But that time, you know, you type here, it's not, but God knows the truth, and He knows the truth. That sister knows the truth, and the rest people who care to know, they know the truth. So who not cares about you on social media or whatever? I don't care.
Sometimes the way some people for this social media, they take family issue personal.
Put up for this thing. Now when they try to take Coco Mama that day now, you see your husband come out to talk issue, and now she's saying, "Oh, waiting, my husband can't lie."
You don't take it.
You see why I didn't jump into that issue, because I understand. Say me one side, it still happen to me, but though they were rejoicing, but I don't have to rejoice over that. Do you understand? So I beg. Now our anniversary they come. So 2009 cake bene. You can imagine somebody who will do something to you. He will change it. Well, be careful, Una they be careful of how una join people to lie or people, No matter about you, kid. Una they be careful. Somebody that auto that female, you know, women say in Nigeria or man, he might come and you decrease one day. You demand. I never. That's why I believe that would be her conscience when she come to my own house and go and like, oh, JK, I beg. She also said it on video. She begged me. Yeah, she did. I never even do a for her. Not to talk of who I see face to face. Tell you say I beat her, kick her, and you dare believe something like that. Hi. It's okay. I beg go. So thank you all guys for being here. Our anniversary is coming. What up, man? You're going to disturb woman. And if you be mad,
thank you.
If you be mad, I always tell people, look, you get one woman, one man, one.
Thank you.
Let me quickly say this. Only I told the story that day. One woman when he reach out to me, get 2 children. This man when he marry this woman, he marry her because his mother love the woman well. Okay, then they go Nigeria, then they come. So the mama don't die. As the mama died that day, that as they do bury her finish. You know what happened? That boy leave this woman. I beg, if you dey follow me when I talk this thing, let me know. The boy leave the woman. You know why? He don't love the wife. When he take there with her since then. This boy were trying to please your mother. But as the mama died now, he abandoned this woman and 2 children. They don't already born her for marriage with love no day. So you think it's a good thing mama do to her so? Let me know. I will not even blame the mother, after all, don't die now. But I blame the boy. You don't need to marry a woman if you want your marriage to be strong. Don't marry a woman because your brother like her, your sister like her. That's why my brother girlfriend, my brother was senior me. He girlfriend. Maybe
I'm gonna praise. You're right. I say you're right up. You're right.
Maybe I go call sometimes. He go they try to. I say, come on, don't do that one for me. I don't even know the tribe when she beats you. Now ask me. I don't know the tribe. No, I don't even care your character. I don't care. I saw my brother already say he they happy with this girl and my girlfriend, my fiancé, that they live for their house. They are fine. They are okay. They know they use their own disturb me. How I go use my own? Say I be sister. Come. I don't do all that nonsense. No, you don't do it. They know they marry for pay. When it comes to marriage, marry from your heart. That is the only way you will find joy. Because if not, you will continue to come on Ijodo, Koirodo to settle you. We are your couple. Believe me, we have never call anybody to not even my husband, my elder sister, who is my best friend. Not even her. That is how we build our home. To call her and say, Mama, come settle this matter. No. No. Okay? Why? Because now we two love each other. We love each other. We come to understand each other. Don't marry for nobody. What to that man when you go marry say my mama love her. Tomorrow you can't do and wait till this boy do this woman for Gemini. She's now officially a single mother with 2 children. You not love her, but you they pretend for love. You pretend you bought 2 children because you want to please your mother. Is that not a foolishness? But now your mother is dead, and now you now reject this woman. God not go forgive that kind of man now. So don't do that for nobody. Marriage is not to marry because of somebody. Don't marry a girl because your friends love that girl. Don't marry a girl because anytime you present the girl for somewhere, everybody they say, oh, you get back, you get this. Marry someone that your heart goes with. Someone that you can kiss. Someone that you can feel. Somebody when you not go there, you go miss the present. Marry someone who you love. If my family, likewise me happen. My mother were like, oh, Virobo. I'm like, don't go there. Don't go there. And they lead me to my faith. Till today, they are happy. They celebrate. They got no problem. They are even happy. I'm happy. That is how parents behave. I have children. You don't. If I want Kevin to always be my son, to always pick my call when I call, do you think I don't have sense? You think say Kevin will grow up to have a woman tomorrow and tell me say, finally, mommy, now this one I just like I want to marry her. Then me want me my son love me. Then me go they say do that girl evil. I go they cause that girl pain, tears. He get character, not get character. Now me want to stay with. Not be once in a while when they will come greet me. I saw my son is fine. Who cares? I saw the 2 of them are doing good. Who cares? That's how parents behave. Parents that mean well for you, that's how they behave. This is my future now when I never reach for when they tell you so. I have 3 boys. So that ignorant parable that you people have in your brain stock is disturbing a whole lot of you, and it's hard time you get rid of it.
My mama,
you don't marry for nobody.
My mama don't like him.
If me, I listen to my mother, I not go there with my husband because my husband because Urobo ni Urobo na wayo. If una get ethnic problem before, how is it my problem? This is my life.
You like? Must people like who you like?
They must not.
Sure.
So if you did there as a woman, they say, you get one girl, they talk one day. If I bring man come, my man don't like the man. I not go marry. Really? So then now, when you go bring man come house, your mama go say, oh now you want like a one more because he bed down to greet or something, I don't know, or give her money, your man like her. But you inside you with the behavior and the character of that boy, you are not okay. Then you will agree to marry that kind of a man. Now. So you can't compare your marriage with mine or with every successful marriage out there. You cannot, you will always have a problem and you will have someone to blame for it. You will always blame your mother. Now, mama, now you said the boy good, I be see the red sign, a whole lot of stories like that all over the places. So, Africa people, wake up. It happened, all family, my own, it happened, you know, Bowayahu, and I, mommy, don't go there. If you now be near Robo get Wahala before, not be me, cause I love her, I love me, so we quiet. When the matter hot too much, I check my phone number.
Marriage anniversary is popping up. It's coming soon, bro.
I checked until they come to realize, but some people refuse to realize. My parents come to realize and they agree. And they have no issue. As far as I'm fine.
The parents carry me like king.
As far as I'm fine.
The family carry me like king.
And I'm waiting for a year for call. You see when my husband they talk
if
to
I call,
my mother, like say they be. That's how to live
me a
life.
lot. But why Malcolm different?
No, we're not talking your own. Me, they talk for you now.
Man,
I'm just saying.
The family carry me like king. They respect me a lot.
So
if
please.
I call, once in Blue Moon, I called. Guys, that's why I love some Benin people.
So please,
Benin people get respect too much.
Learn anything when they happen. You just need to learn,
guys,
and you need to amend. That if na person force her, do you know marriage that you force someone to do? That man know they always get joy. You think say easy to they play on the I think fake hey. When it's not there, it's not there. Trust me. But when the love is there, it's there. When it's there, it's something inside you that you can't control. It's just there looking at it. You can't get tired. You tired, may walk where. Now camera will do it little because this is camera. But real life, my husband sister there that you see I go home sleepers. May I see you now do something for you now. The man I go just and hit you. When I don't get respect. I know she was just a funny person, but that's it. Now our life no believe camera. Okay? Why it be like that? Because I not force her to marry me just the way they force you guys to believe. You can't force a man. When you force a man to marry you, the consequences, you go bear them. In the consequences, I don't know. You go bear them. And you know if you speaking whole man.
Our story will come.
You know if you speaking whole man.
We'll sit down and discuss.
So many of you when born for man made by Temaro, and I don't know what they pass through. I know also born on my own. That's why you see we share it. You see when the children will call you go. If not me, they need that go. Because we both want to have children. Not me want to have children. It's different. Okay? Both of us involved in this marriage. Not me alone have to build it. No. Marriage will not they work. Now when the woman try to build and build. Now woman they build them now. Boy, who got a boy there and they not be a because the man never love you, never care of you telling him that I am leaving this marriage. He don't care. You can go for all he care. But when you are in a marriage where both of you now want this
somebody who wants to spoil your home. Which fruit of labor
he go always
which fruit of labor you want to enjoy?
Support.
First way no want make the labor may reach like this, then want to enjoy the fruit of labor. Where did they enjoy?
You hear me so?
So that's it. The go enjoy my fruit of labor is my other sister. Forget that thing. Oh, forget that thing.
You understand me so?
Okay.
So
no, because I did reply to comments.
Yeah, but I didn't see that.
Now
they get me so. So two people now they build. That's why you see successful marriage today. Two people build it. Our own today, why it be like this? We both build it. Marriage there for first person. I the woman is a woman not big bewa. Or more and netty on this. I can be here now. Last bongo shit now. Must go clean in yash. How you know? But the rest of what force more beer now. Some people won't force when I say buffo. If you're picking shit, you go say, come carry a more. Come carry a more.
Even
Italy, they happen. Most of the like really. Yes, because you force yourself to born. Me, my own marriage is not like that. That's why you always see him. We are always beside. When they go, they give on a fake parable. Only loud don't fake parable saying a woman they build house. How can you a woman build a house? It's not possible. No. Man and woman they build house. Because I feel build this house now. They do everything, make my home good. Make my home good. They are sitting here. But what of my husband no one made the home good? I go build that this thing, he go destroy her. He go give me pain and tears. You know, no attention for the kids, no for me. He don't even care about us. Only come house, eat, and go work, come back, sleep, and all that. How am I going to build that kind of home? I'm going to die before my time. So I don't want to involve in that kind of a marriage.
Praise your right.
Marriage when I involve for now, marriage when we say two people come together, agree, love each other, and decide to respect each other, and that's all. That's the kind of marriage I'm in. So, and this kind of marriage, now my own people, they call out juju this thing. But who cares? It's just for you to have a common sense. I don't talk my story so several times. I don't want to make mistake when my mom make. I know they use body beg man. I'm not that kind of a person. That's why I always respect myself. I do what is right. I give what belongs to Caesar by respecting my husband, not going out of line. Do you understand? If two people build marriage, now they good. Don't be deceived. And don't get married because your father, my papa like her, because the other room matter a lot. Don't let nobody deceive you. Okay? Don't be deceived by anybody who tell you, oh, it don't matter. The other room, which is, you know what is the other room? It don't matter. Then they chop her, then they eat her. No, they're not the eater, but it's part of the form with God's instrument to take great marriage. Now so it will be, yes. That's it. So please, don't be deceived. Don't marry a person because you're friends. Marry somebody where your heart they beat for. You know, so there is something, I can't even explain it. Something there, you know, when you get and create fun, have fun. We are funny people. We can laugh any minute, any second. I gear. Only call, no, I call. I love you and never talk, sister. I'll call Finia. You they miss me, why you call me? Cause I be one just call you to say how you day now. I'll call her that at 4 o'clock. I say, I don't they miss me. It's fun, it's talking. But you can only do this with somebody who love you and who you love. Eh? You know, you know this, you know there anywhere. If you there, I don't marry for document. We don't marry for document. We marry for love. And we are here today. Our kids, look at them. They are always happy. When I
see your comment. No matter what, yeah. See,
no.
To person where you deserve them. Your might be good, no problem. But see, everybody might not be the same. That one are for your own side. It's good for your own side, but don't say it to me. Okay? No matter what, this is this. That one are for your own side, but not talk and come my side. Okay? You feel talk every other thing, but you see that particular thing you write, no, not be for me. You feel good for your side and good for other people. And they see, yeah, don't get it wrong.
Exactly.
See, some responsible, I don't mind use the word. Responsible mothers do. Mothers do. I dey see mothers so. Don't go there. I dey see mothers so.
I go cook for children.
When I see them, I feel joy. You know, like I love them so much when I see them. But you don't say that like maybe I don't know what I'm saying. I know which time they talk. Don't just like maybe I don't know which time they talk. Okay, no try to talk. Say this is this. No matter what the hen shall tell. The hen shall tell. Yeah, but let's see.
Don't stop.
Let's see. Let's
Who
see.
said the end? They tell again.
Now that comment why we now. Let's see. To those who be say yes,
people go lie. People they lie for now. How can so? If you want me and you quarrel, we settle. If you want quarrel, let's quarrel with real things, not with fake things. How can you publicly? I need me to do that. I beg. What so do I beg?
Children happy. You are right. Thank you so much, baby Joy.
You must know that. No, some of these African people don't understand. They don't know the meaning of jealousy. Some of them don't know.
They always put the word mother is mother. Yes, mother is mother, but mother that know your that is a mother way put bikini, we get the joy.
Kudos to my sisters.
Mother way they guys. I want to use the word. If I use the word now, we'll feel maybe I won't begin calling.
It's okay, more go.
Guys,
see you guys.
I appreciate those lovable mothers out there. See, I appreciate you now so much, eh? Mothers, I appreciate you guys' love for real. But sometimes when you see some kind of things, maybe see yes, it happen. Eh? You go ask yourself, really, I'm from this family. Sometimes I ask myself, I really come from this place. I do ask myself this question.
Mothers, like me, I really come from this place. My mother need to behave like a mother.
Guys, for real.
I'm using myself.